Previously on Shinny's Vlogs.
I say open. These shits are fucking heavy. Here we go.
These got scratches on them, so I'm dropping it off at SOS Customz. Shinoda? S-H-I-N-O-D-A. Hello. What's up? Yo, what's good? What is it? What are you guys watching? Nice show. Hey, pull up the photo. What are you gonna do?
We're saying that Joey won't do this haircut.
You won't.
You won't?
You won't. I know. You won't.
I will.
Got the camera right here. All the cars lined up. Getting those snaps. Fire coming your way. Ooh. Yo, what's up? So I'm in my car. I'm really dying. Kids, hotbox in here. 9,000 Nick level. So today's the day I'm finally getting my wheels back, baby. They're coming home. So gnarly. Dude, that's so crazy.
First thing, we had to, obviously remove the decal, prep it out for paint. And then the next thing what we had to do is we had to do a color match. Because, it's white is a tricky color because there's multiple shades, and in our color palette, we have about 1,500 shades of white. So the first thing is that we did is just got the closest match, make a spray card, and then from there, once we had the shade that we wanted, we did the repairs, put the primer down, and then after that we just painting and blending. Okay. And this one was tricky because we wanted to save this decal because this one is a little bit more rare than this style decal. So we had to do a blend burn on the wheel and then make it so it's not visible. And then after that we're just polishing it and then installing the new decal. So that was pretty much it,
Well, sweet, thank you. I appreciate everything with the work and everything. But you have any words of wisdom for the viewers?
Next time when you have your wheels worked on, make sure you take it to a reputable shop that knows what they're working on, because you don't want stuff like this happening. Yeah,
that's like the best words of wisdom right there. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. No problem. And yeah, I'll be back soon. Oh my God. Hey, buddy. Hi. Why you barking? Why you barking, silly? Yeah, what's up again? So, I'm back in my house. Got the Desmond Regamasters Marquee Pro Modas back. Better than ever, honestly. They're looking so great. Got my wheels right here. I'm gonna do a little story time for you guys. Alright, so, little backstory. I got these wheels, right? I put them on at Joey's house. You guys saw that. That was my first time seeing the Regamasters, so I put them on. They're super cool, super hyped on them. And then not even 24 hours passed by. I noticed that these tires, they're super sticky. They even now, they have like rocks just attached to them like this. The tires are super soft. The tread wear is 80 on these. That's less than our 888Rs. So that's nuts. These tires are super grippy. They're fun to drive on. Getting off topic, but I put them on. Not even 24 hours later, I go to Firestone the next day to do a little alignment and talk to them about it. But they said they didn't have a car lift thing for my car and they didn't want to ruin anything, which I respect them for saying that, because why would you work on something if you're not comfortable with working on it? So Firestone said they couldn't do it, so they rejected my going into their shop, which I totally understand. It makes sense. So they recommended me to go to another one down in Santee, but that's too far for me. So I found a new shop to do my alignments. So I'm all set on that. I still wanted to get the nail checked out because I thought there was a nail in these soft tires. So then I bring it to a shop and then they're like, oh yeah, we checked it. Apparently your valve stem, something with my valve stem was screwed up, so they replaced it. And I was watching the kid torquing on my wheel and he was scratching the whole face of the wheel. All this was completely covered in scratches. And that made me so furious, and the way that the kid handled it, he's like, well, you could talk to my manager, this is my problem. And I blew up after that. I got compensated for the damage that they did, and they're super careless. That's why I went to SOS Customz. They took care of me. They took care of everything. They sourced out the decals, paint matched in everything, as explained in the video before with how they took care of it and what they did. So shout out to SOS Customz. Bring your car or your wheels or anything to a credible shop. Bring it to a place where you know you can trust. This is something that you spend a lot of money on, a lot of time, and it's your passion. And you would hate for it to get ruined by someone who doesn't give a shit about your car. So that's why I brought my wheels to SOS Customz. Now that I got my wheels back, I'm not gonna put these on just yet. So I'm gonna put on my Gramlights again. I'm gonna tell you why after I get them put on. So come with me. You wanna go on a walk? You wanna go on a walk? Come on, let's go on a walk. You don't wanna go? Okay, fine. Let's see how it is. Also, I don't know if you guys have seen this before. What is that? Throttle VIP valve stem cap. Where are you going? Hey, where are you going? Low pro jack coming in clutch. Yo, what's up? Welcome back. Don't try to act funny when you're drinking water. Alright, so I'm back in my room and I'm gonna end the video here. So yeah, you're probably wondering, why did I put the rays back on? Why did I put them on? Well, the reason why I put them on is they have TPMS in them, and also the tires that I'm running on the rays are Continental extreme contact tires. The tread wear is like 600 or something crazy like that. So basically what I'm saying is they're more of a reliable tire. My car is gonna get dyno tuned on Tuesday, so I'm super excited for that. It's gonna be very exciting because I haven't done a wide open throttle in my car in about 3 months, 2 months now. It's been so long. Excited to be able to drive my car again at its full potential, and also for my car to be running healthy 100%. Going to Delicious Tuning. They're gonna take care of Maddie and make sure the car's running so perfect. Just make it perfect. That little Delicious Tuning sauce on there. That all dialed in. So overall, Maddie's gonna be looking good. Have her Regamasters back. They're better than ever. Perfect tune on Maddie. Also my wing, I put on some nice hardware bolts on there. The Password JDM bolts. You guys should like this video if you think Joey should paint his hair, you know? He really should. That'd be so funny. And also, it helps out my channel a lot, so if you guys could do that, I appreciate it so much. So I just want to tell you guys, there's an inspiration that comes with vision, and with that vision, do execution. Do not let it slide. Just try it, because you never know. Maybe you'll end up accomplishing your life passion and you'll be super happy with yourself. You never know until you try. My car, Maddie, is going to be at the CSUSM Auto Show on April 20th. It's on a Saturday. I'll be out there. You guys should come say hi, say what up. If you guys have any words of wisdom prepared for the video, be sure to have that prepared. My videos, every Sunday, I'm gonna be posting, so don't sleep on that. Stay tuned every Sunday, new video. Tweet at me, DM me, do whatever. But most of all, be so positive, and until next time, peace. So positive Yeti. Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra?